In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multi-column drop-down menu in WordPress. A multi-column drop-down is a great way to organize lots of links, categories, or pages in a clean, scannable layout. The good news is that this is simple to set up using WordPress's block editor. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and along the way, I'll explain what each action does so you understand why it works. First, open your WordPress website. You'll be working in the block-based editor, which is designed to let you build layouts visually. If your site uses a modern theme that supports the site editor, you'll be able to make global changes that affect your header and navigation. Next, click Edit Site. This opens the site editor, where your header, navigation, and templates live. Think of it as the place where you set the overall structure for your pages and menus, rather than editing a single post or page. Now, find the area labeled Hello World. This is often a placeholder link or content block that ships with many themes. Clicking it is simply a way to place your cursor in the spot where you want to build the drop-down's contents. If you see a navigation area above it, that's fine. We're just making sure the editor knows where to insert the next block. With your cursor in place, click the plus icon. This opens the block inserter, which is where you add new layout elements. In the search field, type columns. Select the columns block. Columns are the foundation of a multi-column drop-down because they let you split content into side-by-side sections. When prompted, choose how many columns you prefer. 2 or 3 columns are common for simple menus, while 4 or more can work for larger sites. You can always adjust column widths later, so pick the structure that matches how many categories or link groups you expect. Once inserted, you'll see placeholders inside each column. This is where you can place whatever you need for your drop-down, such as link lists, headings, icons, or even images, depending on your design. A couple of helpful tips as you fine-tune the layout. Keep column counts reasonable so the menu remains readable on smaller screens. Use concise labels so items are quick to scan. And keep spacing consistent to make the drop-down feel balanced and professional. That's all there is to it. You opened your WordPress site, used Edit Site to work in the global layout, clicked the Hello World area to set your insertion point, added a columns block via the plus icon, and selected the number of columns you want. With that structure in place, you're ready to shape a clean multi-column drop-down menu that's easy for visitors to navigate.